what is up today? We are going to talk about, let's just say, LG. How many of you have LG phones? And if you had an LG phone, I actually had an LG phone. It kind of broke, you know. Let me know in the comments below of what you think of LG, and if you're a fan of LG, let me know in the comments below if you're a fan of LG or you prefer something else. Let me know. Anyway, with this news story, LG adds more AI camera features and a notch for the G7. Thank you. LG is taking its tone from the iPhone 10 with the notch, and now LG is going to use a notch. Let's see. Wow, that phone looks exactly like the iPhone did, but it looks even better though. It kind of does look even better. I have a screenshot above me. According to TechCrunch, LG is definitely really terrible job keeping the G7. Thank you is under wraps. And it might have a notch with this phone device. It's more smaller than the iPhones, and its curved bottom bezel is a little bit larger. A little bit larger, right? Let's see. LG is selling on the latest iteration of the second screen feature found on the V20. Refers to the full vision appearance of the flush top of the bezel. If you could take a look at my phone, it's a little bit like this. You see this little bunch right here? The notch, I actually have told you about this. I will have a little video from that preview of the Apple iPhone. That the next iPhone won't have a notch, but LG is gonna have a notch. It's gonna have a notch like in the center. That crazy notch that people do not like. And LG is gonna get a notch. As from MWC, the AI camera company has introduced the V3 OS. It's neat that the feature that's combination of flashing gimmick and useful features, blah 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 blah. The camera, the AI features identify its shooting and adjust according. It also looks process flashing seemingly random words on screen as it attempts to figure on what it looks at it. So AI is coming to LG apparently. In addition, new additions includes baby, pets, in addition to animal, beverage, snow, sky. So apparently, if you want to take a photo of, if you have a baby, if you want to take a photo of your baby, it will have a feature for you to have a baby feature. Yeah. And what if the feature will start crying? I'm kind of wondering. And when you push the camera button, it'll probably start crying. I don't know. I'm like, I don't know. Or if the pet feature will have a dog bark. Or meow. Yeah. And that would be kind of cool, actually. It kind of would be cool, you know? Or the bevel feature will have a little drink on the camera button and say, oh, I gotta take a photo of my Red Bull. I gotta take a photo of my Red Bull. Or sparkling ice, or coffee. I see a lot of coffee on Instagram. Or snow. I see a lot of snow on Instagram during the winter time. And the sky. Apparently, like, people love taking photos of the sky. Although the photos of the sky look kind of cool, especially if you want to go like to Iceland and see the northern lights. The northern lights. Okay. Of note is the light camera, which increased the brightness of each shot. It's not really on the level of Hui's latest offering, which Hui does have a better camera model. The handset also gets a portrait mode, which brings a familiar presentation of the bokeh effect, introducing blur in the background to help frame the subject, like Samsung's offering. So LG is going to like a Samsung approach and an iPhone approach. So yeah. LG has no plans to let users assign different features, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So let me know what your thoughts are on this one. Are you happy that LG is considering to going with the notch? Are you currently an LG provider? Let me know in the comments below of what your thoughts on this one. And do you like LG? Do you like an LG phone? If you have an LG phone, let me know in the comments below in the comments on this one. And are you like concerned that they're gonna have a notch with this thing? A notch. A notch. So yeah. Let me know in the comments below on that one. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you follow me all over of Ad Science Live. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe. Bye, guys.